The following video displays the loading instructions for the JRT combination tissue dispenser. Always wear appropriate protective gear and follow all safety regulations and procedures. See product insert for additional information and warnings. Open the cover of the dispenser with the push button or key. Install two new 9-inch rolls so that the tails of both rolls will hang towards the center of the dispenser. Install a new 12-inch roll by moving the existing stub roll to the stub roll hub. Place the new roll on the 12-inch hub. The tails of both rolls should hang towards the center of the dispenser.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.